welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa, aka Therapy, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve these bomb curls. Okay. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this style, please keep watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there for me so that you don't miss all of this wonderfulness. Like, you don't want to miss this, right? I wouldn't. Let's get into the video. Alright, so let's get started. I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed and deep conditioned with Moisture Love products, and I will put pictures of the two products that I'm referencing. The shampoo is wonderful. It's one of my favorite products from this brand. And then the conditioner I left in overnight, and I just rinsed it out. Hair is feeling nice and soft. Curls are popping. Alright, and then to style today, I am going to be using the Kindred Spirit Moisture and Style Cream. I'm going to be using the Now and Forever Leave-In Conditioning Serum. Fill all that in with the finishing oil. Fill it with a kiss. And then style today is going to be a chunky 3-strand twist out, and I'm going to put perm rods on the ends of my hair. So I am starting off by dampening my hair with my spray bottle, like I do with every style. Once my hair is nice and dampened, I'm going to start to add in that leave-in conditioner and just watch these curls start to pop through. Just watch. Yes, this leave-in has a ton of slip, so it makes detangling your hair so easy. And it really does moisturize your hair. Like, I'm going to show you guys another section of my hair where you really can see the shine and moisture. But I definitely recommend this leave-in. Alright, so this is the clip that I am talking about. Y'all see that moisture? This is only with the leave-in in my hair. I haven't added the styling cream yet. So now I am adding the styling cream to my hair and working that in. Like, these products, Moisture Love, that name is so fitting because every time, this is like the second or third style that I've done with these products. Every style that I've done with them though, moisture is on 1,000 and it lasts the whole week. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it. You're gonna have to try them out for yourself to really see what I'm talking about, but the name is definitely fitting. So now I'm starting to Now I'm starting to 3-strand twist my section of hair. I already have a detailed 3-strand twist tutorial on my channel already, so I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video, but definitely check out that video. I will link it up above and in the description box. But I am basically going to 3-strand twist my hair down to the ends, and then I'm going to pop the perm rod at the ends of that twist. And I just love 3-strand twists. I prefer 3-strand twists over 2-strand twists. They take longer. They are difficult to master, if I'm honest, but the curls, like, nothing else compares to it. And you guys saw the results already. Nothing else compares to the type of curls that I get with 3-strand twists. So if you are a natural who struggles with 3-strand twisting, check out my tutorial keep trying, give it some practice. It's definitely worth it. So at this point, I am getting ready to add the perm rod. I'm going to detangle the ends of my hair so that the ends are nice and smooth and there's no frizz. And then I'm going to wrap my hair around the perm rod. I'm going to smooth it down so that it does not lift. And then wrap the top around it. And now I'm going to quickly oil my scalp. I personally love the LCO method. I like to add my oil at the end once my products are penetrated into my hair, and just seal all of that wonderfulness in with the oil. I'm just going to squeeze some more oil into my hair. Alright, so we are all done. I am going to keep these in my head. Hopefully overnight. They should dry by then. If I keep them in longer, I'll let you guys know as the takedown. And I'll see you at the takedown. It is a couple of days later. Today is Wednesday. I did my hair on Saturday. So yeah, my hair is definitely dry. These are what my twists are looking like. I oiled my scalp again last night, and then I'm gonna use some oil today to take these twists down. But other than that, I've been leaving them alone. So let's take them down. Alright, so now we're about to take out these twists. I start by taking off the perm rods first. I'm very systematic when it comes to taking out my hair. I like to take off the perm rods first, get all of them out and done out the way, and then I'm going to unravel all of the twists. And then I'm going to go back through and separate each twist. I'm not an over separator on the first day. I like to gradually work my way as the volume starts to develop each day. I'll separate a little bit more. So I'm not going to get too detailed into my takedown process, but let me know in the comment section below if you would like a video dedicated to that, and I can get that to you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to rush through unraveling the twist, and then I'll show you a little bit how I separate. So I am going to gently get those out the way first. I'm going to gently pick a strand. I'm going to gently unravel the curl and then try to find where it wants to separate naturally and kind of pull it apart. You don't want to force it, because that's where you create frizz and all your hard work goes out the window. So just looking for where the curl separates naturally. And then because I did put perm rods on the end, I am going to have to, you may have to straighten and realign the curl at the bottom. And that's simply what I am doing here. So once I finish the rest of my head separating, I'm going to grab my pick and kind of fluff it out a little bit. Like I said, this is day one, so I'm not going to go too crazy with the pick and adding volume. It will grow as the days go by. But yeah, just get a little bit volume in there, kind of conceal the parts from the chunky 3-strand twist, and yeah, I'll show you guys the final results. Like I was saying, these are my final results. Tons of definition, little frizz, which I'm shocked by because I didn't use any any products with hold or that are made to hold or prevent frizz. Just the leave-in conditioner, which helps detangle and hydrate, and the moisturize and style cream. Oh, it says it reduces frizz. So boom, just these two products to get these results. For me, typically when I do
most of my styles, I usually like to incorporate a gel because that really ensures that I get little frizz and that the curls will last throughout the week. So I am pleasantly surprised by my results here. I'm loving the shine, I'm loving the hold, I'm loving the results. All right, I'm being extra. But yes, I love my results. I can't help it. I can't help it. Yeah, so these are the products that I use. Leave any questions down below if you have any questions or want to know where you can pick these bad boys up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.